Hello Internet, it is I, the review dude, and today I'm going to unbox the Logitech K480. I saw it on the internet. The little promo video looks absolutely awesome for this device, and I have one in my pretty little hand, so here I go. Here we go. There it is. I'll show you the back while we're here. So it's got like a little picture, and then it's got laptop, computer, tablets and phones. Little thing. So here we go. Just open it up. There it is. Lovely plastic wrapping. Ooh, it is a little bit heavy. I've heard it's supposed to be heavy, at a kilo or something. But there it is there. A little bit of a something or other, pointless looking at that. And there it is. Okay. So, just get rid of this stuff here. So, looks very nice. Just first impressions here. It feels a little bit plasticky. Okay, there's a little bit creaky on the edges, but the buttons look very nice. Okay, so a little push on the buttons. Just try to tell one name. Yeah, it looks all good, feels good. Oh, that's nice and smooth. I like that. Yep, nice and smooth on that operation. There it is there. Okay, I will leave the sticker on there for now. Let's try a couple of devices in there. So we'll start with my tab A. Ooh, there it is there. It works fine. Sideways. That is all that will fit in there. And there you go. You've turned into a little tablet, into a little turn a tablet into a little laptop is what I meant to say. There you go. Let's see if I can put that side by side with a small mobile. Yep. There we go. Now the R4 is a little bit thicker, and it sits a bit more upright. You can see it sits a bit more upright than the much thinner tab A. Okay, and we'll just try the Chewy HI8. Okay, that will definitely work. That there with a phone. Easy, so I'm sure, I'm recording on my Note 4, but I'm sure it would work, no worries. The Note 4 would sit there nicely with that. Whereas that one, it might be a bit of a pinch. Oh, probably get away with it. Okay, and then just for curiosity, probably wouldn't have two of these at the same time, but there you go, a 7-inch and an 8-inch device side by side. Again, a slight thickness means the Chewy V17 HD sits a bit higher, and the thinner HI8 leans back a little bit more. So there you go. Excellent. Yeah, it looks very good. I'm actually quite surprised by the size. I thought it would feel compact, but as I'm looking at it now, I can definitely say, yeah, look, he's simple. Just yeah, it feels really good. Okay, now the keys, yeah, a little bit plasticky, as you would expect. It's a plastic device. It's not a premium mechanical keyboard, but yeah, it all seems to come to hand nicely, and it feels good. So that's the unboxing and very quick first impressions of the K480 from Logitech, and I will now have a bit of a play and do the connecting so I can show you all that, and yeah, there you go.